I'm going to make my stew and you're going to make your stew.
Right, Holly's going to make her fruit stew.
She's baking.
Baking. Stew isn't baking. So today we are going to be doing something that you kind of bake. Frittata, which is just a fancy word for an egg muffin without flour. The non-negotiable ingredients for our egg frittata is eggs, obviously, broccoli, or the greens of your choice. How do you like broccoli?
Boba!
And we're going to whiz this up. Next, so what you want to do with your broccoli, your blitzed up broccoli, and you could do this with other cooked vegetables too, like baby marrow, but that's going to be a bit watery. Broccoli definitely gives the best results. I'm going to put straight into my muffin pans. So you want to fill them right up. Put a few chunks in there, so...
Mommy, we need some eggs for me.
Yes, I'm going to do the eggs on the next step. Now Holly has learned to crack an egg perfectly on the side without breaking the shell. Over the bowl, and then we open and ta-da!
Done.
White pans. Oven dried tomatoes, see? Bacon. The rest I'm going to crumble. You're going to pour until you've covered up most of it, but not all, okay? What is this, Holly?
Is it good?
It's goat's cheese. I can't find it. Wait a minute, wait. Let's just not waste any of that delicious goat's cheese. Cooking with kids. We're going to put these in the oven now at 180 degrees. We actually cook them for a little bit longer than you think. So in order for them not to dry out, cover them with foil. There you go. A nice little peak there, some nice bacon charring. If you want to, you could put the grill on for a little bit and make sure that they get even more toasty, but what you don't want to do is dry them out. All that good veggie goodness.
I didn't like that part. Well, you shouldn't make cookies with bacon in it.
These are not cookies, these are egg muffins. Bye! Let's wave goodbye.